on. Luke, what's up, man?
What's up?
How's it going?
It's going.
What are you doing today, man? You look like you're geared up for something pretty important.
We're going skydiving.
Nice. Have you ever jumped out of an airplane before?
I haven't.
And what's the
First
special
time.
occasion?
Special occasion, like me and Nate both just turned 18. So
Nice.
it's kind of like a late birthday gift.
All right.
Yeah.
Well, it's a beautiful day in Florida.
It is.
Let's go jump out of an airplane. I'll see you up there.
See you up there.
Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah, man. Did you have a good time?
Hell yeah.
What was your favorite part?
Dude, honestly, the free fall was sick.
Pretty cool, huh? Would you do that again?
Oh yeah.
Congratulations, brother.
Yes, sir.
Thanks for jumping with us.
Of course. Woo!